हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज शक्ति सफलदास। सरकमफरेंस व्लॉग्स में आप सबका स्वागत है।
So today my brunch was going to be this pakhala and this crispy, delicious matcha bhaja. Then I went outside to buy curd and you can see the weather. It was raining heavily that day. In fact, I catched 4 fishes that day, which died later. So in order to make biryani, take rice and soak it in water. Then I am chopping the onions, cutting chilies in halves, and then let's start the preparation. So first boil the water. After it gets a boil, wait for it till it boils, and after it gets a boil, add oil, salt. So don't worry about salt cause you can add any amount of salt, add in a higher quantity cause the rice absorbs the salt up to an extent and then it doesn't take it, so it will never be too salty. So this one is going to be dum biryani. Cook the rice up to half extent cause in dum the rice the undercooked rice were going to be get cooked while they will get dum, so wait for that. Now add the soaked basmati to this boiling water. We add rice to boiling water cause when it goes from a low temperature to such a high temperature, the rice grains become more longer and it becomes more tastier. But during the cooking, lower the flame cause it helps in cooking the rice. Now I am going to strain this rice and take out the water. In Odia it is called as pitcher. And then I am going to spread it on a plate so that it cools down, the rice grains cools down. Now I am going to make the crispy onions, fried onions. So for that first I am frying the onions and I will separate it, but the oil will be in this utensil cause that saute oil gives more flavor to the biryani. So you can see here how I have spreaded the rice. Do you like that? Now take out the fried onions and then to that oil add more onions and tomatoes, green chilies that we have got, add little bit of salt, garam masala, and that's it. Then saute it properly. You can add also, like I added the khada masalas again, like the bay leaf, dalchini, long, and biryani fool, jagrati. That's it. You can add them. Then I added this masala paste which was made by mama. It had turmeric, ginger, onion, garlic. That's it. Then saute it till the masala leaves the oil and it will be separated from it. Then add the marinated chicken. In the marinade, I had added at the time of marination was curd, salt, haldi, garam masala, chili flakes, and little bit of this masala paste which was made by mama. Then cook it. For little bit more spicy, I am adding this, but no need of that. I like little bit more spicy, so I am adding little bit of chili flakes. So after the chicken is cooked, take out that curry, only the watery part in a glass, which will be helpful during the layering. So for layering, first add one layer of rice, then spread it well, making a surface, and then on the top of it add the fried onions which we had prepared and that curry liquid which we had taken after the chicken was cooked. That will give the extra taste to the biryani and also helps in preparing a dum. So this time I am not going to use atta to make the dum. For that, in place of that, I am going to wrap a cloth and make it a tight hold of that cloth on the top layer of that utensil and put the lid and put some heavy weights on the top of it so that it will act as a dum like atta works and will not leave the steam or the gas outside. Next you can see how delicious biryani has come out. It was super tasty.
That's all for today's vlog. If you like this video, do like it, share it with your friends and families, and do comment giving me suggestions, and subscribe to my channel, The Circumference Vlogs.